Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live. We are going to be talking about Dogecoin, and also we're going to be talking about something huge is going to be happening in 7 days, guys. And this could bring a lot of liquidity to the crypto markets. This could take Dogecoin up 40 to 50% if this happens. And you guys all know that right now crypto has just been going sideways. It's been pretty boring, right? It's been pretty boring, pretty existentially, it's just been out there. But I think good things are on the horizon. We're not seeing a lot of volatility. We're not seeing like these huge swings. We're not seeing like FTX stuff or 3 Arrows Capital. We're not seeing a lot of bad news. I mean, the biggest crypto enemy out there is Gary, our friend Gary out there. And overall the economy is not doing so good. We did see inflation went up. It's going up. We're seeing that the Fed is going to increase the rates in November. That's a certainty, 100% certainty. I'm going to show you that. So yeah, despite all of this like Debbie Downer stuff, we are seeing that there is a ton of good news that's going to happen, and in 7 days, this could be make it or break it for crypto out there. So let's dive in. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Don't forget to go down there and smash the freaking likes, guys. Smash the likes, guys. What are you doing? And don't forget to share this content. And once again, this ain't financial advice. And remember, if you're investing in crypto is highly speculative, highly volatile, and don't invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Please, I'm begging you. Only invest what you're willing to lose. That's so important because some people, they just bet the farm and then they lose and they start crying. Never invest your rent, your food, or your children's education, guys. Don't do that. Do not do that. Remember, diversification is key. Guys, go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. We've got about 72,000 subscribers, getting pretty close to 73,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate if we get this up to 100,000, let's get cooking. Let's support the OG out there. Let's get it, guys. And we're seeing that the pre-markets, don't forget it's Sunday here in Asia. Good morning, good evening, good everything out there, guys. Wagwan, right? What's going on, guys? It's a great time to be live. And we're seeing that the future markets are up right now. So that is pretty good. Hopefully this will have a impact and we'll see a positive day. We still have the conflict that's going on over in Israel. Hopefully that will get resolved, but it looks like the rhetoric is ratcheting up. Looks like this country here, I don't want to say it, but there's some sensitivity out there. Looks like this country is saying that they will take a more active role in what's going on over there. Let's hope not. Let's absolutely hope that doesn't happen out there. That would not be good. So hopefully it's just isolated and this thing will at some point we'll stop. I'm just adjusting my camera. My camera kind of slipped. My camera slipped. I got camera slippage. Oh no, camera's falling apart. Technical difficulties here. Oh geez, got technical. I just bumped the camera. I'm bumping the camera here. So hopefully we will get the technical difficulty. There we go. Still technicals. I don't know what's going on today. So technical difficulties, bear with me. So that's what's going on. Let's take a look at, we did see the DXY did pop up a little bit. It did go down, did pop up. It's just kind of creating this whole bull flag structure. So I don't know. Remember, even though as far as I'm concerned, the value of the dollar is going down, you can buy less, but it looks like the value of other currencies, because remember, this is a comparison to a whole bunch of other currencies. Looks like the value of those currencies are even worse than the dollar. So that's why we're seeing DXY go down and go up. Sorry, and remember that's inverse relation, guys. So when the DXY goes up, Bitcoin often goes down. So what's going on with Bitcoin right now? So Bitcoin is trading at $27,253. We've just kind of been in this range between like 27.8 and a floor of 26.59. Now, like I said, we've got something cool, something big happening in 7 days that could really change things. And if this happens, remember here we did have, in this area here, this is where This is where Grayscale did announce their Bitcoin spot ETF, that they were going to be converting their Bitcoin to spot ETF. And we did see that Bitcoin did hit a high of around about just over 30,000. Now, since then, it has dropped down. Okay, so if you can see here, the amount that it's dropped down. You can see here the amount that has dropped down. If you take it from here to kind of the low here, it's almost like 19%. So if we take a 19% increase from here, let me just get that tool happening. If we take a 19% increase from here, 19%, that takes us all the way to around about 32,000. So I'm anticipating that if this huge announcement comes out in 7 days, we could easily see that Bitcoin could pump 90 to 32,000. Now, my perspective on things is I think it's gonna pump harder. I really think that we could be seeing not only a 19% increase, we could be seeing a 40% increase. So I'm thinking we could be seeing something along this line and taking us easy back up to $40,000. So that's what I'm thinking. That's absolutely what I'm thinking out there. So we're going to jump into that news and what that news is that could propel Bitcoin up 40%. And remember, if Bitcoin makes a move to 40%, it's not unlikely, it's not unheard of for the altcoins to pump even harder, 50, 60%. So we'll talk about that. So Ethereum is starting to come up a little bit. It's at 1565, but basically just in the doldrums, right? Ethereum is just kind of in this narrow range here between like 1523. And we got a high of about 1663. So it's happening, but we could definitely expect a 19% pump from here if the news does pan out. So we could easily see $1,850 for Ethereum. Okay, because Ethereum will often pump in line with what Bitcoin does, where the other altcoins will often pump more. That's just the way it is. Let's see what's going on with fear and greed right now. So fear and greed is at 47, still pretty much neutral. I still think this is a good time to buy the dicks. It's Ric Flair, not the dicks. No, we're not buying dicks, guys. We're buying the dips. Hello. Censored. I did say dicks, okay? It was an accident. Came out, slippage out there. I didn't mean to say that. I mean dips. If we take a look at the big board here, we can see we're pretty much a green day, except Doge is down. We'll talk about that. Let's take a look at the markets. Site can't be reached. Ew. So precarious. So we're seeing that right now. Bitcoin is up 1.2%. It's good, right? It's better than going down. We're seeing Ethereum is up as well. We're seeing BNB is up. XRP is still below 50 cents. I think definitely don't sleep on XRP. That's what I'm thinking. We're seeing Cardano is up slightly, but unfortunately, Doge is below 6 cents. And I did talk about my 6 cents resistance. We'll jump into that. What does that mean? Is this a good buying opportunity? We'll talk about that. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doge. Let me just turn off this predator indicator for you. Predator indicator, where are you? Get out of there. So we are seeing that right now, Dogecoin has just been going sideways. It's having a bit of a hard time pumping, getting above its resistance here. You see, it's tried once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Got rejected. Okay, it's definitely got rejected. But what I'm seeing here, though, and I'm going to be talking about this, is that if I look at the perspective of a Dogecoin has actually been forming what I consider a very big falling wedge, okay? And this falling wedge, it peaked out about 14 cents, and I mean, we can even take this wedge even further, okay? We can even like extrapolate it down all the way back here, but let's just talk about 14 cents. So from that perspective, if we break out of this falling wedge, we could easily see a very quick recovery for Dogecoin. Now, remember, one of the most important things that we have going for us as Dogecoin holders is one, as a meme coin, the market cap of Dogecoin is 8.4 billion right now, just under Cardano. It's in the top 10 spot out there, so that's not too shabby. We've been there for a while. We have the meme coin with the biggest market cap out there. We have the meme coin with the largest amount of users in profit compared to other meme coins. You can take a look. 39% are in. I mean, if you if you compare what's going on with Shiba Inu, if once this thing loads internet, you'll see that only 9%. So from that perspective, we have more and more users in the profit. So that among itself is good, humongous news. But you can see we have this falling wedge. So I believe that if we could break out from this zone, we could easily start to move up. Now remember, one of the biggest supporters of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. Now, Elon Musk, he's definitely one of the major catalysts why Dogecoin has been doing so well. There's no doubt about it. And, you know, anytime soon, we could be seeing some major announcement from Elon Musk. When? I don't know when. If you know, comment. But I don't know. But when that happens, we are going to see a mega pump for Dogecoin. You know, once the X Twitter platform integrates Doge, we will see some major pumpage, guys. It's happening. It's happening. You know, and I think that Dogecoin is about to break out above its resistance. Love, guys. Much love. Love, guys. All I gotta say is love, guys. Love for all of you out there and for Dogecoin, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics tonight. Right now, we are seeing right now Dogecoin tokenomics out there. I must say that the weather in Asia right now is crap. It's been raining like a week now. It's like everywhere is flooded. It's just a mess. It's a mess. Nobody wants to go to work. Everyone's getting sick. It's just like poo-poo schmata time out there, guys. Hey, Dogecoin 101. Smash the freaking likes, guys. Smash the likes. Have you smashed the likes? Smash the likes. So we're seeing right now that overall the volume is down. It's down 12.75%. But like I said, Dogecoin is forming this huge descending triangle. Once we break out of this bad boy, we're going to see some movement, some serious freaking movement to the upside. Okay, now is it a good time to be buying the Doge? Yeah, definitely. Not financial advice. I'm buying. So this is an article that came out. What could trigger the next Dogecoin bull run? Now we're going to talk about what's happening in 7 days. So hold the phone. People say, I thought talking about the 7 days. Something big in 7 days. Wait for it, guys. You guys are so impatient all the time. You are impatient out there. I want a big shout out to Rose, David Ricine. Big shout out to Mimi out there. Big shout out to Sean. Big shout out Elijah, Chris, DeMarco out there. Everyone out there. Dragon, where are you lurking, Dragon? Big shout out to all the community out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, guys. I appreciate it. So here's what could trigger the big next Dogecoin or bull run. Okay, so basically, and I'm just going to paraphrase. Let me just pump this up a little bit bigger for you so you see it. So basically, a closely followed crypto strategist believes that the top meme coin, Doge, will officially cross a bull market territory if it manages to clear 2 resistance levels. So these are 2 key resistance levels, okay? And basically saying, according to the trader, Doge could potentially print a new all-time high if it convincingly breaks out of this technical formation, okay? So he's saying Dogecoin is approaching apex of a multi-year, I'm talking multi-year descending triangle. And we all know that. We all been feeling it, right? A weekly candlestick above 0.8 could trigger the beginning of the new Doge bull run. So guys, 0.835 is a key freaking level, okay? And potentially towards $1, guys. So we could see $1 coming in. But we must watch out for the 0.482 support, and any sign of weakness around this levels could lead to a new yearly low. So like I said, there's no guarantee, but this is support level that we need to break past. Resistance level we need to break past 0.83, and also this is a support level that we cannot break down. We cannot break below that. If we break below that, then it's game over, right? So if we look at the chart, it appears that analysts are seeing 2 key resistances. We talk about that, 8 cents and 0.4. Right now, we're seeing Doge at 0.59, okay? And that's down over 91 freaking percent from its all-time high of 0.731 in May 2021. Can anybody even remember that? Remember, it's like, we're in deep depths of COVID and all that crap was going on. So looking at the top crypto asset market cap, the trader says he's keeping a close eye on Dogecoin. So I still think that Dogecoin has a good potential to run up to $1, guys. But really, one of the big things that's going to really make the big change, it's going to be Elon Musk. So we really need Elon Musk to get happening. So guys, here's the big news. So SEC won't challenge Grayscale court win, bringing spot Bitcoin ETF even closer. So in 7 days from now, remember Gary said, look, okay, I'm not going to challenge it, Grayscale. Okay, you do your thing. So in 7 days, in 7 freaking days, guys, we could see as the final decision from Gary for a spot ETF approval. So if that happens, if that freaking happens, boys and girls, we're gonna see, like I said, Bitcoin is gonna pump up to 32,000 immediately, and within a couple of days we could either see 40,000 coming in, because that's just gonna bring up so much liquidity in the market, guys. So 7 days, guys, 7 freaking days, Dogecoin to $1, guys. We're also seeing Bitcoin rises. We're seeing a lot of whales, you know, and this is people with more than 10 Bitcoin addresses going up like crazy, guys. So whales and institutions are starting to load up. Could this be BlackRock? Could this be, you know, all these big companies that are, you know, preparing the ETFs? I think it could be, guys. And we could see trillions of dollars of liquidity coming in, guys. So September 26th marked the biggest amount of whales accumulating, guys. So guys, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. What else is coming in? We're seeing, you know, Dogecoin to the freaking moon and beyond. I think if we can break that resistance level of 0.83 cents, we got a big chance to hit $1, guys. You know, we're seeing that right now. We're seeing this bearish wedge, rising wedge formation. I think a breakout's coming. We could see, you know, August 2025, 200K, guys. Do not sleep on it. We could see parabolic rises coming, guys. I'm so psyched. I'm psyched. Smash the freaking likes, guys. Smash the freaking likes. It's a great time to it. And I'm feeling fireworks. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling insane, guys. I'm feeling insane. So you can see we're going through all these cycles right now. Bitcoin has been kind of stuck in this cycle right now for almost like 8 months. And this is a transition from lows, guys. So once it happens, once we transition out of this area here, we're going to see pumps, guys. And I think we're about to transition from that. So it's cool. Possible road to all-time highs coming, guys. Coming. And it could be this year or next year, guys. It could be early. It could be early, guys. So don't sleep on it. Bitcoin 4-year cycle unfolds in the charts, aligning current price with past cycles. Will central banks disrupt this trend and turbocharge? So yeah, definitely, I can see that you know, the collapse of central banks, the collapse of the U.S. economy, is definitely going to be turbocharging Bitcoin to go to the freaking moon, guys. And it's going to happen. We are here right now. We're absolutely here right now, and we can see a huge turbocharge happening, guys. So announcement-wise, government announcement, nothing big, but we do have on Thursday, Fed chair is going to be speaking, guys. Interest rate-wise, definitely 92% are saying interest rate hikes definitely going to happen. It's happening. Guys, what's going on? Returns so far, October was still positive, but it wasn't the October that we expected. It's been a Debbie Downer October, more like Sucktober as far as I'm concerned, guys. It sucks out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Hopefully, guys, be blessed, be well. That's all I got. Bless.